So today we have the Ninja Food air fryer. This is an 8-quart air fryer, 6-in-1 DualZone with 2 basket air fryers. So I consider myself a really good chef. I was a chef by trade for many years, and I really didn't think the air fryer was going to change my world. However, this device has definitely have been a staple in my kitchen. Innovation with the design, the versatility of the functionality, and making all these delicious meals with this. So let me tell you why more in details. Anyone who cooks, they need a dual zone cooking capability. So this has 2 independent cooking baskets, so you can fry up 2 different separate things, 2 different temperatures, so you can put it out so nothing's getting cold waiting on something else to be cooked. The air fryer always produces a very perfectly crisp and golden results every time, with no excess oil or grease to worry about. Whether I'm frying chicken wings, french fries, or vegetables, the air fryer definitely produces like very good quality food. It's delicious with minimal effort. So this one comes with an 8-quart capacity. So that's good for a large family, or if you're entertaining, you're able to produce enough out there so you don't have to make multiple batches. This is definitely a must-have in your kitchen. Absolutely a good buy.